Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stabilizing conditions. Plug in or ensure battery above 20% and connect to Wi-Fi. Open settings and go straight to notifications or app's right arrow notifications. You should locate the specific app causing trouble now, don't jump around. Once you find it, tap the app to view its notification controls. Make sure the app is not silenced, and note whether it uses system channels or in app settings so you can change both places if needed. You now adjust the detailed controls. Enable notifications for the app, pick the alert style, banners, sound, lock screen, and set an attention level. For Android, open notification channels and assign a distinct sound, vibration, and high priority for critical channels. For iOS, enable background app refresh and notifications in the app's permissions. Once done, verify do not disturb rules and focus modes are not blocking that app. Change schedules or exceptions so your app can deliver alert. Finish by testing and, if necessary, resetting. You should send a test notification or trigger the app to produce an alert, then restart the device to apply changes. If notifications still fail, clear the app cache or data and reinstall the app. That often fixes corrupt local settings. Make sure battery optimization or low-power modes aren't killing background processes, and install any pending system or app updates. If everything else fails, contact app support with logs or screenshots for deeper help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.